Welcome, young explorers, to another exciting adventure with fun animals for kids. Today, we dive into the wonderful world of ducks, one of nature's most remarkable birds that waddle on land and glide gracefully through water. Ducks are fascinating creatures that can be found on every continent except Antarctica. These amazing birds have captured the hearts of people around the world with their playful personalities and distinctive quacking sounds. Let's explore everything there is to know about ducks for kids who love learning about animals. Our journey begins at the edge of a peaceful pond where a mother duck leads her ducklings in a perfect line. Ducks belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes swans and geese. There are over 120 different species of ducks around the world, each with their own unique traits and characteristics. Ducks have waterproof feathers that keep them dry even when swimming. When a duck preens, it spreads oil from a special gland at the base of its tail across its feathers. This oil creates a waterproof coating that helps ducks stay dry and warm in water. Isn't that clever? This is the kind of educational content that makes learning about animals for kids so much fun. Look at how the duck's webbed feet work like paddles as it swims across the pond. These special feet help ducks navigate through water with ease. Ducks also have broad, flat bills that they use to filter food from mud and water. Some ducks, like the mallard, have a small comb-like structure on their bills called lamellae that helps them filter tiny plants and animals from the water. Let's explore the different habitats where ducks live. Many ducks can be found in wetlands, lakes, rivers, and ponds. Some ducks prefer saltwater environments and live near coastal areas. Wood ducks are unique because they nest in tree cavities near water. Ducks are adaptable birds that have learned to thrive in many different environments. Now, let's travel back in time to learn about duck evolution. Ducks have been around for millions of years. Fossil records show that duck ancestors existed during the time of dinosaurs. Over millions of years, ducks evolved their waterproof feathers, webbed feet, and specialized bills that make them perfectly suited for life both in water and on land. Young explorers, did you know that not all ducks quack? It's true. While female mallard ducks are known for their loud quacking, male mallards make a softer, raspy sound. Some duck species whistle, squeak, or make other unique calls. Duck communication is complex and fascinating. Ducks use different sounds to warn of danger, attract mates, or call to their ducklings. When it comes to intelligence, ducks are quite smart birds. They can remember faces, solve simple problems, and learn from experience. Mother ducks teach their ducklings essential survival skills, like finding food and avoiding predators. These educational moments in a duckling's life prepare them for independence. Let's watch as a duck dives beneath the surface of the pond. Ducks are classified into two main groups based on how they hunt for food: dabbling ducks and diving ducks. Dabbling ducks, like mallards, tip forward with their tails up to reach underwater plants without fully submerging. Diving ducks completely disappear under the water to catch fish or find plants at the bottom of lakes and ponds. What do ducks eat? Ducks have varied diets depending on their species. Many ducks eat plants, seeds, grains, and aquatic vegetation. Other ducks feast on small fish, insects, worms, snails, and crustaceans. Some ducks even eat both plants and small animals, making them omnivores. This diverse diet helps ducks survive in many different habitats around the world. The life of a duck is filled with adventure. Many duck species migrate thousands of miles each year, flying in distinctive V formations across continents. These epic journeys take ducks from their summer breeding grounds to warmer winter habitats and back again. During migration, ducks can fly at speeds of 40 to 60 miles per hour. Duck reproduction is another fascinating aspect of these birds' lives. During mating season, male ducks often have colorful, vibrant plumage to attract females. After mating, female ducks build nests where they lay anywhere from 8 to 15 eggs. The mother duck sits on her eggs for about 28 days until they hatch. This is called incubation. Once the ducklings hatch, they're ready for action almost immediately. Within 24 hours, ducklings can swim and find food with their mother's guidance. Mother ducks are very protective of their ducklings, keeping them close and warning them of danger. A family of ducks traveling together is called a brood. Ducks have several defenses against predators. Their excellent vision helps them spot danger from almost any direction. When threatened, ducks can quickly take flight or dive underwater to escape. Some ducks can even hold their breath underwater for up to a minute. Ducks also use their loud calls to warn other ducks of approaching danger. Young explorers watching on YouTube Kids will love these fun facts about ducks. Did you know that ducks have 3 eyelids? The third eyelid is transparent and works like goggles underwater. Ducks also have special blood vessels in their feet that help them swim in cold water without freezing. These adaptations make ducks truly remarkable birds. Ducks play important roles in ecosystems worldwide. They help spread plant seeds, control insect populations, and serve as food for larger predators like foxes, coyotes, and large fish. The balance of nature depends on animals like ducks fulfilling their roles in the food web. Humans and ducks have a long history together. People have domesticated ducks for thousands of years for their meat, eggs, and feathers. Domestic ducks, like the white Pekin duck, are descended from wild mallards but have been bred to be larger and produce more eggs. Wild ducks and domestic ducks are the same species of animal, just like wolves and dogs are related. Duck hunting has been practiced by humans for food and sport throughout history. Today, duck conservation efforts help ensure that wild duck populations remain healthy. Wildlife refuges provide safe habitats for ducks and other waterfowl to nest, feed, and rest during migration. In many cultures around the world, ducks hold special symbolic meaning. In some Asian cultures, ducks represent fidelity and marital happiness. In children's stories and cartoons, ducks often appear as friendly, sometimes silly characters. The duck has waddled its way into human hearts across continents and through generations. One of the odd behaviors that makes ducks so entertaining to watch is something called dabbling. When dabbling ducks feed, they tip forward with their tails pointing up to the sky as they search for food underwater. It looks like they're doing headstands in the water. Educational videos for kids often highlight these amusing duck behaviors. Did you know that some ducks sleep with one eye open? It's true. This allows one half of their brain to rest while the other half stays alert for danger. This ability is called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, and it helps ducks stay safe from predators even while resting. Recent scientific discoveries have revealed that ducks are more sensitive to Earth's magnetic field than previously thought. This sensitivity helps ducks navigate during long migrations, acting like an internal compass that guides them across vast distances. Unfortunately, ducks face many threats in today's world. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change all affect duck populations. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting these wonderful birds. By creating and preserving wetlands, scientists and wildlife managers help ensure that ducks have safe places to live and raise their ducklings. Duck domestication has led to many different breeds with various colors, sizes, and characteristics. From the common mallard to the crested Muscovy duck, domestic ducks provide eggs, meat, and even pest control services for humans. Some people keep ducks as pets because of their friendly, social nature. Let's visit a duck sanctuary where injured wild ducks are rehabilitated and released back into nature. Wildlife rehabilitators work hard to help ducks recover from injuries or illness. These dedicated people teach us about the importance of protecting all animals for kids and future generations to enjoy. Young explorers, have you ever noticed how water seems to roll right off a duck's back? This is where we get the saying like water off a duck's back, to describe how easily someone lets criticism or problems slide away without effect. Ducks have inspired many such sayings and stories in human language and literature. The ecological importance of ducks cannot be overstated. As they move between different wetlands, Ducks transport nutrients and plant seeds, helping to maintain biodiversity. Ducks also serve as indicator species, meaning that their presence and health can tell scientists about the overall health of wetland ecosystems. Duck family life is full of touching moments. Mother ducks teach their ducklings to swim, find food, and stay safe from predators. Ducklings learn by watching and following their mother. The bond between a mother duck and her ducklings is strong, though it lasts only until the ducklings are old enough to care for themselves. Let's watch as a line of ducklings follows their mother across a busy road. Many kind humans stop traffic to allow duck families to cross safely. These small acts of kindness help ducks survive in environments they share with people. As we near the end of our adventure, we see a peaceful scene of ducks floating on a pond at sunset. Ducks often rest on the water, safe from many land predators. Their ability to adapt to life both in water and on land makes ducks truly remarkable birds. Young explorers, today we've discovered the amazing world of ducks, from their waterproof feathers to their incredible migrations. Ducks are not just beautiful birds, but essential members of our natural world. They clean our waters, spread plant seeds, and bring joy with their playful antics. The knowledge you've gained about ducks for kids watching today will help you appreciate these wonderful birds whenever you see them in parks, ponds, or flying overhead in their distinctive V formations. By understanding ducks, you've taken an important step in learning about the interconnected web of life that makes our planet so special. The value of ducks extends beyond their role in nature. They teach us about adaptation, family bonds, and the importance of protecting our natural world. Every duck you see is a reminder of the beauty and diversity of life on Earth. We hope you've enjoyed this educational journey into the world of ducks with fun animals for kids. If you want to learn more about amazing animals, join us for more video adventures by subscribing to our channel, Fun Animals for Kids. Together, we'll explore the wonders of wildlife for kids everywhere, making learning fun and exciting. What animals should we explore next? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to share this video with friends who love learning videos about amazing animals. Until our next adventure, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember that every animal has an incredible story to tell.